So let's start with 2025 June Pure Mathematics first paper. So let's go to the first question. Okay, the first question says about, let me take into this side. So P is given and a Q is given. They're asking P to the power half. Yes. If it is P to the power half, that means 1 over 16 x to the power 4, the whole thing to the power half. So we know we can take it the half a power. So for 16 separately we can take the half, and for x to the power 4 we can take the half a power. So 1 over 16 half is, you can easily get the root also, which is 1 over 4. And this, when you get the powers, you know power of power is multiplication, so which is 4 times half, which is 2. So this would be x to the power 2. So this is our answer. And next part is the B section. So in the B section what they say is, let me write the B. They are talking about P and Q multiplication and the negative 1. So P and Q, so it's 1 over 16 x to the power 4 times 40 over x to the power 3, the whole thing, negative 1. So let's figure out the very first part first. So which is going to be, we know 40 times 40 is above, so it will be 5 divided by 2, and x to the power 4 here, x to the power 3 here, so it will be x to the power remaining as 1. So, and when you see the negative 1 out of it, what we're going to take is, so what it will give you now is the negative power will go for either. So if you got the negative power to the other one, that would take you the reciprocal, which is if you take less than negative 1 x to the power negative 1, so the answer is going to be 2 over 5 x to the power negative 1. So we are not changing this thing because they are expecting the form k times x to the power n to the power x to the power n, so we are keeping it. And next, the C part, it's pq squared. So if it is pq squared, so what we have is okay, 1 over 6 x to the power 4 times 40 divided by x to the power 3, all things squared. So which you will have 1 over 16x 4 times 40 squared divided by x to the power 6. So what you would have is, it's pretty straightforward. So you're going to have 16, and now this 4 power and the 6 power, so x to the power 2 bottom, so when it comes up it will be negative 2. So in this case, so this is are the answers for all the instances. One is this, and one is this, and the last one is this. Yeah, this is how you get the full marks for the full question. Thank you.